While the intelligence layer, aka LLMs, get all the attention, the reality is this. Agentic AI will only be as strong as the data foundations you build. If your data is chaotic, incomplete, outdated, or inaccessible, AI will amplify that chaos. In this episode, let's answer a simple question. What does it take to manage enterprise data in a way that prepares the organization for agentic AI? Modern enterprises deal with enormous volumes of data. A recent information management report found that 64% of organizations manage at least 1 petabyte of data, and this data is almost never in one place. This is why data preparedness is the hardest part of agentic AI. And the best way to prepare your data for agentic AI is increasingly to use AI itself. So if you look at the classic data management lifecycle, data collection, data cleaning, data analysis, and data governance, AI data management means using AI technologies to automate and streamline every stage of this life cycle, so enterprise data becomes accurate, accessible, secure, and ready for AI-driven operations. Traditionally, engineers wrote ETL pipelines, extract, transform, load, to move and combine data from different systems. Today, AI-driven integration tools can automate much of that process. Most organizations don't actually know what data they have. Data arrives from everywhere. The company's internal databases, their cloud platforms, IoT sensors, third-party systems, SaaS tools, legacy applications, and so on. Because it's spread across silos, much of it becomes shadow data, data the organization does not manage and is often not even aware of. This is why 68% of an organization's data typically goes unanalyzed, stored at cost but providing zero value. But AI can help by automating data discovery. Smart classification refers to automated classification of data using AI/ML models, usually without human involvement. It is used for auto-tagging documents, categorizing files by content, metadata generation, detecting document types, identifying PII or personally identifiable information, and routing data into the right category. Natural language processing enables AI to read, interpret, and extract structured information from unstructured text like emails, reports, and documents. Relationship detection allows AI to identify how different datasets connect, such as matching a product SKU in one system to a product ID in another, so that data across silos becomes linked and usable. Now, just because you found the data doesn't mean it's good. Bad data can do more harm than no data at all. If your data is inaccurate, inconsistent, incomplete, outdated, duplicated, then the decisions, whether by humans or AI, will be equally flawed. AI helps here through data cleaning, synthetic data imputation, and anomaly detection. AI can validate formats, detect incorrect entries, and fix simple errors automatically. If a field is missing, like salary, AI can infer a plausible value based on patterns from similar complete records. The important caveat here is good estimates improve decisions, bad estimates make everything worse. So human oversight is essential. AI observes normal patterns in data and flags deviations. If daily sales files usually contain 100,000 rows and suddenly contain 1 million, AI raises a flag. AI-powered quality checks reduce manual cleaning and complement rules such as order value cannot be negative. Now, even if data is collected and cleaned, it must be accessible. Data silos slow everything down. People can't access what they need. Teams end up relying on whatever data they can find, leading to multiple versions of the truth. Data accessibility means the right data for the right person at the right time. AI-driven integration tools automatically detect relationships between data sets and suggest how they should be joined, reducing months of manual ETL work. Instead of SQL or dashboards, employees could simply ask, "Show me last quarter's sales by region," and AI translates the question into a database query and returns the answer instantly. AI observes what data a user typically accesses and can suggest permissions for other datasets, balancing accessibility with security. No discussion of data management is complete without data security. The challenge today is massive. With so much new data being created constantly, how do we enforce policies and detect threats? AI enhances security through AI-driven data loss prevention. It's not just credit card number detection. AI can identify personal information, source code, financial documents, and shield it from inappropriate use. AI learns normal access patterns and flags abnormal ones. For instance, if an employee suddenly accesses thousands of records at midnight, that's a signal that something's wrong. AI can spot suspicious patterns in real time, far beyond what rule-based systems can detect. AI doesn't replace rule-based security, that is still absolutely essential, but it enhances it with behavioral intelligence. In conclusion, when your data is discoverable, clean, connected, and secure, you create the foundation for AI that is truly capable. And here's the irony. Today, the best way to prepare your data for agentic AI is increasingly to use AI itself. In the next episode, we'll go one layer deeper into the intelligence layer, the part of the AI agent that actually understands, reasons, plans, and makes decisions using the data you've prepared. See you in episode 5.